Hello, welcome to TechSharmit. In this session, we will cover few more variables from the retrieve job attribute command, and we will see how we can fetch those information. So for the same, here I have created one program. So let's take this program in edit mode and see what we have written here. So as usual, firstly we are declaring the variable that we are going to use for storing the values that we will retrieve from the RTVJOBA command. Now below to that, what I'm doing, I'm just running the command. So just to know what type of variable we have to declare or what should be the length, we will firstly directly we will write RTVJOBA, then take F4. So once you take F4, it will take you to this screen where like these all types, these all variable we have already covered, right, in previous session. So today we are going to cover the other three variable. So I'm doing the page down. So these are the three variables that we will discuss today. So here you can see that first variable is JOBMSGQMX. The type, the variable length is 20. It means it is a decimal variable of decimal type of variable. Okay. So if you want to know more about this variable, then you can place your cursor here and just press F1. So once you take F1, it will show specifies the name of CL variable that receives the maximum size of the job message queue. So basically it is returning the maximum size of the job message queue. This variable should be of type decimal of 2 digit. Okay, and the no position, there's no decimal position. Okay, that's why we have declared it as a 20. Okay, now we will see the second variable. Second variable is JOBMSGQFL. So just press F1 by placing cursor here. So here it is mentioned specifies the action that should be taken when the job message queue is full. So suppose job message queue got full, then in that case should be the action that we have to take. Okay, so that thing we can retrieve here. So by fetching the detail in this variable, we will be able to understand what exactly we are doing when the message queue is full. The variable must be of minimum length of 10 characters. The special value, these are the values, expected value for this variable: no wrap, wrap, PRT wrap. Okay, so this is the second variable. Now we will see the third variable. So in third variable, I'm doing the F1. So it is mentioned that it specifies the name of the CL variable that receives the special value that indicates how inquiry messages are being handled by the job. So if you want to know like how the inquiry messages are being used or handled by the job, then in that case you will retrieve the information in this variable. This is also a type of character variable, and the length of this variable is 10. Okay, so now we got the information about all these three variable, like what all information they are sending, they are expected to receive, and what should be the type and length of the variable. Okay, so now we can directly go and we can declare the variable as it is. So you can change the variable name, but for understanding purpose I keep the same name so that it will be easy for you to understand what exactly we are retrieving here. Okay, so it is of type decimal, so I have passed it as decimal of 20. Okay, so now we have and likewise we have declared the other two variable. So now we have declared the variable, we have executed the command. So once this line number 16 got executed, all the three values will be there in our variable, and now we are good to use it either in our program or we like here I'm just printing those values for the demo purpose so that you will be able to understand that we are printing this. So on line number 21, I'm using snd command where I'm passing the job MSGQMX, and as it is a character variable, it is a decimal variable, so it is required to convert it to character because snd command does not take the decimal value. Okay, that's why we are doing the conversion. So once this line got executed, it will print the value. Now the second thing that we are printing here is on line number 25 is job as MSGQFL. So just write snd then take F4, and here you can specify the message or text. So I am passing it as a job message QFL. This is the value that I want to print. Another value we are printing here is INQMSGRPY. Okay, so the same process, like I'm using this snd command, and then it will print the value. So let's see how we are getting the output. So I'm compiling it. It is compiled successfully. Now I'm calling it. So after calling, we got the value as 16, PRT, wrap, and RQD. So these are the value that we are retrieving with the help of RTVJOBA command. And so wherever there is a requirement for such values, for such information, then you can easily use this command by just simply declaring those variable which is required. Or you can retrieve all the variable. You can also write a code where we are retrieving all the values from this command, RTVJOB attribute command. So far we have covered one page for this command, and today we have started with the other three from the second page, and in the upcoming session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TechShare Method.